Welcome, seekers of truth, to the Neville Goddard Son of Abdullah channel, and a journey of transformation unlike any other. Today, we embark on a quest to unlock the secrets of the mind and harness the power of manifestation with the legendary Neville Goddard. Are you ready to revolutionize your reality and manifest your deepest desires at lightning speed? If so, you're in the right place. But beware, this journey requires an open mind and a willingness to challenge everything you thought you knew. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to dive deep into the mystical teachings of Neville Goddard. Together, we'll uncover the keys to reprogramming your mind for 10x faster manifestation and unlocking a life of abundance and fulfillment. Understanding the law of assumption. At the heart of Neville Goddard's teachings lies the profound concept of the law of assumption. This universal law states that your assumptions, beliefs, and feelings create your reality, shaping every aspect of your existence. In essence, what you assume to be true, whether consciously or unconsciously, will inevitably manifest in your life. So, it's crucial to become aware of your assumptions and deliberately choose those that align with your desired reality. By mastering the law of assumption, you gain the power to script your own destiny and manifest your wildest dreams with effortless ease. But first, let's delve deeper into Neville's timeless wisdom and uncover the practical steps to apply this transformative principle in your life. The power of imagination. Imagination is the gateway to infinite possibilities. It's the canvas upon which your desires are painted and brought to life. Neville Goddard understood the immense power of imagination and its role in the manifestation process. Through the art of imaginative visualization, you can vividly picture your desired outcomes as if they were already a reality. By immersing yourself in the sensory experience of your wishes fulfilled, you activate the creative forces of the universe. So, dare to dream big and let your imagination run wild. Embrace the feeling of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that comes with living in the end, and watch as your visions materialize before your eyes. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are the silent saboteurs of manifestation. They lurk in the shadows of your subconscious mind, blocking the flow of abundance and success. But fear not, for Neville Goddard provides the antidote to these insidious thought patterns. By identifying and challenging your limiting beliefs, you reclaim your power and pave the way for unlimited manifestation. Remember, you are the author of your own story, and it's time to rewrite the script in alignment with your highest aspirations. So, shatter the chains of self-doubt and embrace a mindset of limitless potential. With Neville's guidance, you can transcend the limitations of the past and step boldly into a future brimming with abundance and opportunity. The art of affirmation. Affirmations are the building blocks of manifestation. They serve as powerful declarations of your intentions and beliefs, amplifying the vibrations that attract your desires to you. Neville Goddard advocated for the use of affirmations as a means of reprogramming the subconscious mind and aligning with the frequency of your desired reality. By affirming your desires with conviction and faith, you anchor them firmly in the realm of manifestation. So, speak your desires into existence with unwavering confidence and belief. Let your affirmations reverberate throughout the cosmos, signaling to the universe your unwavering commitment to manifesting your dreams. Living in the end. Living in the end is the secret source of manifestation. It's the art of embodying the feelings and emotions associated with your desired outcomes, as if they were already a present reality. Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, as it serves as a magnet for your desires, drawing them into your physical reality with magnetic force. So, immerse yourself fully in the experience of your desired reality, basking in the feelings of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that accompany it. By living in the end, you signal to the universe that you are ready to receive your manifestations with open arms. Harnessing the power of intention. Intention is the driving force behind manifestation. It's the unwavering commitment to your desires and the unshakable belief in their eventual realization. With Neville Goddard as our guide, we learn to harness the power of intention to manifest our dreams with precision and clarity. By setting clear intentions and aligning our thoughts, words, and actions accordingly, we become unstoppable manifestors. So, set your intentions with unwavering resolve and watch as the universe conspires to bring them to fruition. With Neville's teachings as our compass, we navigate the seas of manifestation with confidence and purpose. Embracing radical responsibility. Radical responsibility is the cornerstone of manifestation. It's the recognition that you are the ultimate creator of your reality, and the architect of your destiny. With Neville Goddard's guidance, we embrace the power of radical responsibility, knowing that every thought, belief, and action shapes our lived experience. By taking ownership of our reality, we reclaim our power to manifest with intention and purpose. So, embrace radical responsibility with open arms and step into the role of the conscious creator of your life. With Neville's teachings as our guide, we pave the way for a future filled with abundance, joy, and limitless possibilities. The power of visualization. Visualization is a potent tool in the manifestation process. By vividly imagining your desired outcomes, you imprint them onto your subconscious mind, aligning your inner world with your outer reality. Take time each day to visualize your goals as already achieved. See yourself living in the fulfilled desire, feeling the emotions associated with your success, and embodying the reality you wish to create. As you immerse yourself in the visualization process, you strengthen the neural pathways associated with your desires, making them more likely to manifest in your physical reality. So, close your eyes, visualize your dreams, and watch as they unfold before your eyes. Affirmations for manifestation. Affirmations are powerful statements that affirm the reality you wish to create. By repeating affirmations regularly, you reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with your desires. Choose affirmations that resonate with your goals and state them with conviction and belief. Whether it's "I am abundant," "I am worthy," or "I am deserving of all good things," affirmations can help you shift your mindset and attract positive outcomes. As you affirm your worthiness and abundance, you send out powerful vibrations into the universe, drawing back to you experiences that match your affirmations. So, repeat your affirmations daily and watch as they transform your reality. Living in the end. Living in the end is a key concept in Neville Goddard's teachings. It involves embodying the feeling of your wish fulfilled, acting as if your desires have already manifested. Imagine yourself already in possession of your desired outcome. How would you feel? How would you act? By living from this end state perspective, you align your energy with the frequency of your desires, making them more likely to materialize. As you consistently live in the end, you create a powerful energetic signal that attracts your desires to you. So, immerse yourself fully in the feeling of your wish fulfilled, knowing that it is already yours. Letting go of attachment. Detachment is the art of letting go of the outcome and trusting in the divine timing of the universe. When you release attachment to how and when your desires will manifest, you create space for miracles to unfold. Surrender your desires to the universe, knowing that they are already on their way to you. Trust in the process, and have faith that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, in divine timing. As you relinquish attachment to the outcome, you free yourself from anxiety and resistance, allowing the manifestation process to unfold effortlessly. So, let go, trust in the universe, and watch as your desires manifest with ease. Action and inspired steps. While manifestation begins in the mind, it also requires inspired action in the physical world. Take proactive steps towards your goals, trusting that each action you take brings you closer to your desires. Identify the steps you can take today to move closer to your desired outcomes. Whether it's networking, learning new skills, or pursuing opportunities, take action with confidence and conviction. As you take inspired action towards your goals, you demonstrate your commitment to manifesting your desires. So, step boldly into the unknown, knowing that each action you take brings you one step closer to living the life of your dreams. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey to reprogram your mind for 10x faster manifestation with Neville Goddard. If you found value in this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are ready to unlock their full manifesting potential. Your support fuels our mission to spread Neville's teachings far and wide, empowering others to create lives of abundance and fulfillment. Remember to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video, and be sure to comment below with your thoughts and experiences with manifestation. Until next time, may you manifest your wildest dreams with ease and grace. Stay tuned for more transformative content from the Neville Goddard Son of Abdullah channel. Blessings and abundance to you all.